Hi guys, today's going to be the first of a series of videos about lasers. Okay, so I've got the batteries in the laser. I've got the laser focused in to a very small point so I can burn things. And I have a rock here set up to stop the laser beam from going off camera and burning something like the chair or whatever, or hitting someone. So I'm wearing my laser safety glasses. So now I'm going to burn a few things. So I have like a plastic knife. You can tell I was already testing it. I have a match and a leaf. So let's start. Let's try the knife first. And you'll notice it shoots right through very easily. See, it burns through in a couple seconds. Now let's light a match. The match lights instantly when it's placed in the focal point of the laser beam. Put that out. Now let's try a leaf. Right away you can see a lot of smoke. It's really burning it. And I'm probably going to end up lighting it on fire if I'm not careful. So I'm going to stop. I don't want to completely light it on fire. Now I'm going to do like the wooden part of the match. Alright, so that's about it. Now I'm going to turn it off because I don't want to overheat the laser. And thanks for watching.